You know how it's wonderful to have all that energy when you're in your teens and in your 20s, and for some even in their 30s. But somehow, as you grow older, and if you don't eat well and you don't rest well and exercise and do the right things, that energy reduces drastically. While I was walking on the street, I saw a couple of senior citizens rocking left to right, or there's a limp that they walk with. Probably the cartilage in their knee has worn out, or they have some joint aches and pains. And this is not a one-off thing that I've noticed. Almost 1 in 3 to 4 adults or senior citizens have this issue, whether they are overweight or not. I've still seen a couple of leaner people also have that issue, but mostly it's the senior citizens around a certain age that have that. Maybe they haven't taken care of themselves, or they were too busy with their responsibilities, or maybe they had some kind of incident or accident, whatever it is. But the pain on their face every time they took a step was just too much to watch. Even if you go to a doctor, you may get temporary relief from that, but you have to still exercise and do your physio sessions, or maybe even undergo surgeries or any kind of replacements. And also, there are so many people, especially women, whose bones get fragile, especially around menopause, I've heard, or if they've got thyroid issues. So why are so many people sick? And now when I look around, I see that even people who are much younger are falling ill, and they're developing arthritis, and they're limping. There was a period when even I was limping for a while, and I had to undergo a lot of therapy to get stronger and fitter. Sometimes it's a downward slope. If you slack on any of that, those treatments and those exercises, you kind of go back to square one. So I really wonder what we can do, one, so that when we are older, or even 10 years down the line for that matter, or 15 years down the line, we still have the ability to move around, walk around, and maybe dance and do things that we want to do so much more easily. And also what can be done for the people who are already at that stage in their life, without draining all their finances, without making it so painful that they just give up on rehabilitation. If you parent or an aunt or a grandparent or even a friend who's your age who seems to be struggling with these things, and they are not really paying attention to it, just bring it to their attention, because maybe at a point you can still prevent and fix to an extent, or at least maintain in a way. But after some time, you don't see really many ways except for surgery. You kind of can't do every activity, so your activities are restricted. Even if you want to join in any kind of celebrations, I see a lot of older people sitting on their chairs because their joints are hurting and they can't do a lot of activities. So just bring it to their attention. If you see someone who's close to you, who you can have that conversation with, maybe help them. Because I do know that when I had that, I couldn't carry a lot of weight because that put a lot of pressure on my joints. So I used to carry smaller weights or smaller bags. And as I got fitter and I got stronger, I could take on more weight. But I still restricted the amount that I carried because it directly impacts the joints. At the same time, with work and with everything else that happens in our life, it becomes difficult to really focus. So prioritizing health over and over again can be a challenge, but it's so important, because when I couldn't move as easily, there were people who were there to support, but I still had to drag myself to the restroom or drag myself from point A to point B. So no one else is going to come and do that for you, right? Unless you're on a wheelchair or something, where you need assistance in that way. So take care of your health. Do some exercises to strengthen your muscles, your leg muscles, your arm muscles, your overall muscles. Make sure your body also is aligned well, and you're not like tilting to one side. And if you feel like there is a pinching pain in your joints, on your knees, on your ankle, just address it, because there are things that exist out there that we don't know until it's a little too late, and then you don't really want to get into surgeries and all unless required. So yeah. Also, if you're wondering why I'm talking about this today, I saw a couple of senior citizens today, and I was running around to do some job, and I was so exhausted. I wanted to take a cab and go home, and I said, no, I'm just going to, I'm going to walk this out. And I saw a couple of senior citizens who were dragging themselves with their bags and their paperwork. It wasn't a sight to see. It was just so sad. It was just like, I can't pick everyone's bag and take them home, right? And I'm sure they have people, but they also want to be independent. So if you're somebody who likes to do your own thing and you don't want to be dependent most of the time, even as you grow older and you like your way of life, you know. It's just nice to take care of yourself when you're younger.